Hello everyone, welcome back to J3 Vlogs. Today we are with the unboxing of DJI Osmo 4 mobile gimbal. So let's get started. So here we're going to unwrap the box. So there is one pouch in the box to carry the gimbal, a wristband to hold the gimbal and prevent it from falling down, it comes with a magnetic ring holder which you can paste on the back of your mobile phone. So one transparent alignment sheet is included in the box from which you can paste the magnetic ring holder perfectly on the back of your mobile phone. It will work with any size mobile phone, no issues with that. So they have also given some extra stickers to paste ring holder whenever required. So here's the mobile holder if you don't wish to paste the magnetic ring holder on the back of your mobile phone. It's metallic build, and here's the tripod which is included in the box. So here's the gimbal itself. So it is very light in weight and very compact in size. So let's unfold it. There it is. So here's the joystick to move the gimbal up, down and right and left. There is one M button from which you can turn on the gimbal. It will show the indicators that the gimbal is turned on, and the battery level is also displayed. So let's see how it works with the mobile phone. So I'm using it with the ring holder, and trust me guys, it is very strong. You don't have to worry that your phone will fall down. So here's the tripod stand. There we press M button to turn on the gimbal. It will start in the portrait mode, and if you press M button twice, it will turn it into the landscape mode, and again double press M button to turn back into the portrait mode. So here's the Mimo app. The app itself is having many features. It will detect the gimbal and it will connect it automatically. So here's the joystick to turn it up, down and left and right. You can also change the speed of the movement in the settings. So it's pretty nice. And guys, I'm using a very heavy phone, Mi 11 Ultra. The phone itself is having the weight of 230 grams, and the gimbal is handling it quite nicely. So here are the different modes. The phone will align itself by selecting the particular mode. So here I am selecting the story mode given in the app. I have also displayed the story mode in the beginning of the video. The app also has the dynamo zoom feature built in, from which you can take the background zooming shots. And here's the panorama mode. The gimbal itself will take all the pictures and place it into the one photograph. So there it is. And there is one trigger button given in front of the gimbal, and it is very useful. If you press it once and hold it again, it will turn the gimbal into the sports mode, and the movement is very fast. As you can see, the movement of the gimbal is very fast. And if you press trigger button thrice, it will turn the front camera on. And there is one zoom button given in the left of the gimbal. And here's the maximum zoom you can do in the app. So here's the tracking mode of the gimbal. You just have to press trigger once to turn the gimbal into the tracking mode, and it is very handy. You just have to press trigger button once and the gimbal will turn into the tracking mode. You can see the tracking mode is also very good. So I have made some video with this gimbal. This is the normal mode. Here's the zoom, and here I am walking with the gimbal. You can see the stabilization. So guys, enjoy the different varieties of the cactus, and do let me know how you find the video and the review in the comment section, and by liking, by sharing and by subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much.